Hi everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this frame that I got from Dollar General. I'm painting it with Plaster color chalk paint, that's by Waverly. The center part, just to make sure that image didn't show through the paper I'm putting on, I just gave it one coat of that Plaster chalk paint. Next I'm taking this scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the center part of the frame can't be removed, so I just hold it on there and kind of push it along the inside edge of the frame, and then cut that down. Once I have that cut down, I add Mod Podge to the center, making sure to get right against the edge. Place down that scrapbook paper and smooth it out with my hands, making sure it's all attached, and then dry that with my heat tool. Next, I am taping down some wooden biscuits. They're size 10, and those I got from Amazon. And I'm painting those with Sunshine Yellow acrylic paint, getting one side of them as well as the edges, giving them a couple coats. I ended up needing 24 of them. I placed down 7 on that scrapbook paper. Once I had the placement right, I hot glued them down. I then take an additional 7 and place them between where the bottom 2 meet. Again, having that placement right, and then added some hot glue. And I make 2 of those within that paper. I then take 2 15mm half round wood beads, and I'm painting those with Barcelona beige chalk paint, and that is by Folk Art. And I hot glue those to the center of the flowers. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.